It's Thursday, and that means we are back in Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, she whips up a sweet treat perfect for an easy breakfast on the go. Let's check it out.
Today, I've got the perfect solution to a summer sweet tooth. I've got these little donut peaches. Now, these are typically sweeter than your regular peaches. They're a little bit of a specialty item, but you can find them at all sorts of grocery stores and discount grocery stores now. And in fact, I bought a little clamshell of them for about $4, and I think it had 8 peaches in it. That's a pretty good price. But as I said, they're a little smaller. They're a little, they're kind of flat, which is why they call them donut peaches. And they are usually quite a bit sweeter. So they're delicious on their own, but if we want to kind of dress them up a little and do something really fun that can soothe the sweet tooth quickly for a couple people, what we're going to do is bake these. And to do this, I am going to just put my knife in until I feel the pit, and then I'm turning the peach around the knife so that I don't cut myself or get my hands in the way. And then I'm just popping that pit out. All of our stone fruits that have pits, we don't really want to keep them in while we're eating and cooking with them. And then do that with the other one. I'm just going to rest them in a dish. Something again. Our little stone out. And then I'm going to make this little, a little bit of a topping and a filling for them. So I have about, I'd say about 3 tablespoons of oats. I roughly chopped some almonds, and I'm gonna say I've got a really rounded tablespoon of chopped almonds. They just really give it a nice crunch. And almonds and peaches go really well together. I'm putting in a teaspoon of sugar. You could probably omit this, the peaches are so sweet. But it's really going to make all this come together. And I used the turbinado type sugar for this because I wanted that extra crunch. A little sprinkle of cinnamon. Not too much. I think cinnamon sometimes overpowers the deliciousness of fruit. So I bet there's about 1/8 of a teaspoon in there. I just literally just sprinkled just enough to give it just a little bit of a hint of cinnamon. And then my last ingredient I'm going to put in here is just a few drops of almond extract. And again, I just love almonds and peaches together. Almond extract, though, might be outside of your budget, so or just difficult to find. You could use vanilla extract here. And I said that was the last ingredient, but I am going to add about a teaspoon of butter. And notice I am just getting dirty here. Just mixing it all together with my fingers. You could do this with a spoon, but sometimes it's fun to get dirty and play with your food. All right. And then I'm going to sprinkle half the topping between the 2 insides of the peaches. I'm going to put those little tops back on. Sprinkle the rest on top here. Made quite a mess, but that's okay. And then these are going to go into a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I've got some here that I baked earlier, and really it's as simple as that. And then here we have this like nice summer, fruity dessert. I might serve this with a little bit of strained yogurt or Greek yogurt drizzled in honey. And just add a little bit of creaminess to it, or eat it as it is. But either way, enjoy.